Thutha wa mutino uria urahanikire thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega muthenya wa Jumatatu na gutiga arutwo 14 makuite na angi 39 gutigwo na nguraro njuru, Kiama kia arutani gia KUPPET ni maheanite mukaana kuri ministry ya githomo itabanie mucemanio wa kwaririria ugitiri mathukuru-ini.
As a union, we are asking the cabinet secretary to call for a national conversation where we can give him views. We have documents. Other players in the field have documents which they can bring to fore. The last time we had a document on safety measures in schools, the last one is the manual of 2008.
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa Kiama gia Kiombo Miremba ni maheanire ciringi 500,000 kuri family iria ciana ciao irahutirio ni mutino uyu kumateithiriria kurugamirira mathiko na marihi ma ciana iria iri thibitari.
We stand with the school principal. We stand with the community. And like our treasurer had indicated to you, we are pledging from our members, because all our funding comes from members, a donation of 500,000 Kenya shillings, so that it will come all the way to support the families that are bereaved and to help in the arrangement of the funerals.
Maya magithiaga na mbere murutwo umwe wa aria marakuire mutino-ini ucio ni ahurukirio kwa umuthi kuria aciari mendikithirio ugitiri wa arutwo kurorwo na kinyi kuona makoragwo mehokeire thukuru ciana ciao.
Ni uchungu na ni huzuni watoto wetu kama wanaweza enda hospitali alafu tuende tuchukue maiti, ni uchungu. Na ningeliomba hiyo shule ya Kakamega Primary, tafadhali kama watoto wamejaa msiweke watoto wengine. Unapata stream moja inabeba watoto karibu 70.
Riu wa Kenya no mathiete na mbere na gweterera na kinyi moimirira ma uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungiriirie mutino uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.